Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable Memory Saver in Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. When Memory Saver is enabled, Arc browser frees up memory from inactive tab. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keeps Arc fast. Your inactive tabs automatically become active again when you go back to them. By default, this feature remains turned off, and to enable it, first open Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on this one Arc icon that says settings. In the drop down menu, click on this one settings option. After that, under this one profiles section, click on this one default option. Now, beside advanced search settings, click on this one arrow button. Now, in the Arc settings, select this one performance tab in the left sidebar. On the right, you will see this one memory section. Just turn on this one memory saver toggle switch to enable this one feature. That's all about this video. Bye.